Hello, this is my math friend, your favorite learner math educative channel. In this lesson, we're going to look at the difference between algebraic expressions and equations, or algebraic expressions versus equations. Before we continue, I want you to like, comment, hit the notification bell, subscribe if you've not, and share for the benefit of others. All right, let us move on. Now, algebraic expressions are different from equations. All right, now the differences are quite slight, which should be highlighted. That is why this lesson seeks to bring the clarity. Okay, the clarity. All right. Now, first of all, let's look at that of algebraic expressions. Now, algebraic expressions, as seen on the board, are number sentences without equal to sign, whilst the equations are number sentences with the equal to sign. So we have example of algebraic expression as 7 plus b, also 2k plus 9k squared, 9k squared minus 10. All right. Example of an equation is 7 plus b equals 13. 24 minus y equals 11, and so on and so forth. So you see the equal to sign there as a difference. The second difference, or second point we should know is that, and this one is sort of a similarity. Now, both algebraic expressions and equations have terms. Now, what are the terms? We have variables, or what we call letters, variables or letters, variables or letters. Now, examples are B. Normally, the lowercase letters are used. B, 2K, Y, negative 2M, etc. Now, it could be only letters or it can be a combination of numbers and letters. Now, when you see only, let's say, B, that means that the number beside the letter is 1. All right, so that is the first term. Now, another term of algebraic expressions and equations are constants. Constants are just numbers without letters attached to them. For example, we have negative 2, 15, positive 11, 7, and so on and so forth. So it could be positive or negative. All right. Now, another common term, common thing found in both algebraic expressions and equations are operations. Now, both algebraic expressions and equations have operations, and they are four main operations, which are the plus, the addition sign, the minus sign, the multiplication sign, and the division sign. All right. Now, let's look at another difference. Now, algebraic expressions, because they are just expressions, they are one-sided, whilst equations are two-sided. That is, we have the left and the right side. Because of the equal to sign, equations, the equal to sign separates it, and so we have the left side of the equation, the right side of the equations. All right. Now, let's move on to the next difference. Great. That difference is that algebraic expression stands for a single numeric value, whilst equations show equality between two expressions. So look at the example, let's say 7 plus b equals 13. Now, 7 plus b is one expression. 13 is also another expression. So equations are, putting two expressions together with the equal to sign separated. We should note that the left side is equal to the right side. But algebraic expression just stands for a single numeric value. At the end of the day, when the expression has been simplified, we have just one numeric value. Let's take note. Now, the final difference we want to talk about is that with algebraic expressions, normally when you are given an algebraic expression, you'll be asked to either simplify, expand, or even factorize, and so on and so forth. Look at that example. 7x minus 2 plus x minus y squared. All right, there's no equal to sign. You see that very well. Good. Now you can be asked to simplify. How do you do that? By grouping what we call like and unlike terms. Good. All right. Sometimes you can also be asked to simplify where where values will be given to substitute for the unknowns, or for the variables, or for the letters there. So I can say that simplify that very expression where maybe x equals 2, y equals 4. That's just an example, right? So when you put in the values, when you place the letters with the values, at the end of the day, the expression is simplified and having a single numeric value. Good. On the other side, equations, when you are being given an equation, normally you are being asked to find or find the solution. Good. So that is the difference. So you see such terms, you ask you to find the solution. For example, 7x minus 5 equals 19. 7x minus 5 equals 19. Now, in this very expression, in this very equation, sorry, you see that there is an unknown as a variable, a letter, which is x, and you be asked to find x. Good, this is just an introduction. Now, in the next video, we shall be looking at how to solve some examples, how to solve algebraic expressions, and how to solve equations. But these are the main things that you should know before you can tackle algebraic expressions or equations. Very well. I trust you learned a lot in this very lesson. Great. Subscribe to the button and share for more of these educative videos. Great. Bye.